Then you gave me a beer
You know, special ones
from
that you can go buy.
Quinn's.
Yeah,
That was beer.
Max did that.
Max did that? I thought it was you.
No.
Okay.
I did what?
Then what?
Wait, what did I start out with? Vodka.
Mary.
The Bloody Mary
Mary.
was vodka, then beer, then bourbon, then tequila.
Then bourbon again.
Oh, well, yeah.
You had more than one tequila.
And
Yeah, you have more than one tequila.
I had 2 tequila shots.
But she didn't do shots. She just sipped.
No, I did shot, didn't I?
Oh,
And then, what are we? What was this?
You're to the tequila.
Oh, okay, the tequila. Then I went to my Jim Beam,
Yeah.
and then Bailey's.
Bailey's. Woo.
So that's only 5 different ones.
oh,
You just
shit.
had me one?
But who's counting? No.
You'll be counting in the morning. Drink lots of water before you go to bed.